the moment. Maybe some, I don't know, music, kadogo, kakitu, something. Kajingle. Sorry? Oh, okay, wait. Hold on.
So they will feel the program more from, the governance of NOCK working well, as well as NOCK being able to provide the services that it needs to. NOCK, through us, being able to strengthen the federations that they represent, and then that will make sure that we reach the athlete and we are able to address their needs and also interact with them to understand what are some of the challenges that they're experiencing.
We are fine-tuning the engine, if I could use that term. It is for the engine to be able to run well, so that what people see as the vehicle, the engine is very well, because it's about our systems, it's about everything which we need to get right before we even step out of the room. We can step out of the room to look good, but we are not good. Deloitte is making sure that we are good, and then after we are good, we look good.